LegoLand says they are built for kids, but what does that really mean? In this video, you'll find out. Let's get started.
So LegoLand Florida Resort is a resort built for kids in Central Florida. And by built for kids, we mean literally built for kids. Our rides have lower height requirements. We have special trains on our roller coasters like Coastersaurus here right behind me that is designed for younger children to enjoy. So we like to call ourselves a park of firsts. A lot of people have their first roller coaster experience here. They'll get their first driver's license here. They'll ride their first boat here. We really take pride in being able to see children's faces light up and smile whenever they do that one big thing for the very first time. And we see that happen all the time. One child could come here in the park and have 5 firsts before they leave.
So LegoLand could be a park of firsts for teens and adults too, because with all the awesome ways LegoLand is built for kids, it is still honestly enjoyable for everybody. Coastersaurus is the first wooden roller coaster I've ever ridden on, and Flight School is the first inverted roller coaster I've ever been on. And honestly, it's probably the only wooden and inverted roller coaster I'll ever go on, because even though I like some roller coasters, I don't like the scary ones. And you guys know Brian, he loves riding those giant crazy coasters that I'll never go on. He also loves coming to LegoLand and riding these as well. And built for kids is a lot more than just attractions. There's also
Minifig Trading. You might be able to trade your first minifigures. So right here, everyone's got them on their badges. This is a scuba diver with a blue mohawk. I'm surprised he hasn't been traded yet. He's pretty cool. Kids will come up and they'll bring their bags of minifigures from home and they'll ask to trade all day long. For some kids, they will trade more minifigures than rides during the day because that's what they'll be interested in, just running up to find the next cool minifigure that they see. And they always go home happy because we've got boards and boards of minifigs to trade from with all of our retail stores, food and beverage units, and of course on our name badges here.
LegoLand Florida Resort is known for their special events. We have another great event coming up through the month of July. Starting July 13th and going through the entire month every weekend is our Lego Movie Days. You'll be able to experience the newest Lego Movie World expansion area. You're going to be able to meet and greet with our characters. You're going to meet the newest character, Rex Dangervest, and there's going to be a dance party with full of streamers and glow, and everybody's going to have just a wonderful time or an awesome time. Another cool addition to the Lego Movie Days event is that fans are going to be able to get pop badges. They're limited edition and collector's edition. We're going to have them every weekend during the Lego Movie Days, so collect them all.
Whenever we design a new ride or attraction, we always have the ages of 2 to 12 in mind. So whatever we design, you know that it's going to impact those age ranges for kids and for the whole family. Lego Movie World has some rides for the entire family, anything from the thrills of Unikitty to the easy height requirement of Bricksburg, so everyone can enjoy something in the brand new land. If you come to LegoLand and you need a minifigure, there's lots of places to get one. The Minifigure Market is the coolest one that I think we have because you can build your own minifigure. So you can either build yourself or you can build someone else. It's completely up to you. And then you can use that to trade with other people as you see them throughout the park. And we also build a lot of our amenities with younger guests in mind as well. So when you go to our hotel rooms, a lot of the sinks are shorter levels, and same with the toilet seats. If you go to the restrooms behind me next to Coastersaurus, we've got adult-sized sinks, and then we've also got child-sized sinks. So we're keeping all that kind of stuff in mind whenever people visit, so it's as easy as possible for our younger guests to be able to enjoy their visit here at the resort.
So there's some really cool additions to LegoLand Florida Resort for kids to do outside of the theme park, and one of them is our LegoLand Resort behind me here. We have a lot of Lego brick play pits. We have a giant Lego castle for kids to play in the lobby. We have nightly programming, pajama parties, Lego experiences, character meet and greets. It's just a fun time for the whole family. Secondly is the pool over here. We have a no entry pool. It's a lot safer for the kids to enter and exit the pool. There's no climbing, there's no stairwell. A lot safer, a lot more interactivity between the family going into the zero entry there. So the rooms inside LegoLand Resort are actually really, really unique. There's a lot of Lego brick decor, a lot of interactive opportunities for kids and families alike to really just have a good time in your room. Inside each room, there's a separate kids area that includes a TV, bunk beds, a Lego wall for the kids to play on, as well as a treasure hunt which the kids can go throughout the rooms and find clues and unlock the combination to a prize pool filled with Lego toys, juice boxes, and other fun things. On the other side is a separate parent side of the room with a large screen TV and a king size bed, so that's separate so the families can all be together but actually have their own fun inside the room.
We even have special trash cans here at the resort that are a little bit lower levels so that kids can reach them as easy as their adults can.
The third thing is the Imagination Zone, which is actually located inside the park. Kids can build planes and boats and cars. They can even build their own digital aquarium where they can each individualize a Lego animal or creature and throw it up on the virtual wall for everybody to see.
People ask why we do all this stuff. It's simple. We've got a really good slogan here at the park, and it's called to put a smile on the face of a child, which is everyone's goal here at LegoLand Florida Resort. So if your kids leave here with a smile, we know we've done our job right that day.
That is my video on how LegoLand is built for kids. Thank you very much to LegoLand Florida for helping me with this video, specifically Nick and Sean. Thank you for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. Oh, they're doing the Build a Mini-Lander workshop again. They did this last year, but in a different location.